Christmas. Hey, Vlogmas fit check. We're about to, Mom, I'm filming now. So we're talking about. Just kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, so we're making stocking stuffers. So we got stocking stuffers here. We got Paw Patrol. We got Paw Patrol. We got Mickey Mouse Christmas. Okay.
Oh gosh, you got it.
Are you guys doing either over there?
I know I look ugly right now.
Not my fault.
Can we like fix this table?
What about
Why
it?
is it so slanted?
Gabby don't want to move because she's lazy. Move it.
Ah, my legs are actually so sore. You can do it though. From who? I'm eating to the gym.
Oh, yeah.
What?
She said booty poppin'.
Okay, so is that how Paw Patrol is boys, right? Or
About to
mixed?
call you my Jesus.
Jesus, 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 Jesus.
I love to praise your name.
Controls.
Hey. Done. First one done. Yeah. Hit those notes. Hey.
Okay, Shani. You tell me Shani or Shani, whatever you want.
So they got toys. So I'm gonna give them crayon.
Crayon.
I'm gonna give them 2 each because there's like 100.
Okay, do it.
Careful.
Do what you want.
Oh my god.
Look who's here, it's Putan.
Putan is here. Happy Vlogmas.
Okay, Ariana
So we're doing
Grande.
Gabby hates her.
Okay, I like Ariana Grande Christmas.
Okay, good.
Hey, lighting me good right now, eh, Shawty?
Hey, Shani. I keep losing track of how much stuff I put in here.
I just put like 10 in there.
What?
I'm joking.
What happened to your voice,
Someone
Peyton?
pray for Peyton.
You get away from me. Oh, I bind that sickness because I've had it for a whole week.
Like, I was sick. When I was sick for like a week too. Because like every time I get it, I
This is the
feel
first time I'm seeing you with everything done! Her nose, her hair. She said, I'm finding the husband.
She said it's time. God, I'm ready.
No, literally it happened and I found me a husband.
You did?
No, you didn't.
I had a date on Saturday.
Wait, I lost track. I'll play Wii music.
Lori's exposing.
No, I'm not.
Oh, so she's a boys now?
I am, yeah. Because
I was confused. I was like,
what did you just say about me?
she said I always do this to boys, but it's fine. Do you want to hear what happened to me today, boys?
Yeah, what happened?
Why are you wrapping it like this? I don't know. I wasn't used to it. Why did you put it in a bag?
And move like a snake. Put your hands on your waist. No, face. Put your hands on your waist. Face. Put your hands on your face. Literally, look how spooky it is. What? I know, I love them. They're so cute. So we're heading to Taco Bell. Yes, I'm wearing Marcus's slide. Don't fight me. No, I already said shotgun.
Buying her Taco Bell's ice in the front.
I forgot I have booster seats in the back.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified.
There's a guy behind us and he's really triggered. Oh, thank you.
Yo, why he mad?
The golf ball for free.
It's a Pepsi. Oh, sorry. It's so large. I hope this helps with my nausea.
Guys, I haven't had Taco Bell in like 10 years.
Same, but I wanted it so bad last night after church, but I was like, no, let me not.
I've been craving Chipotle.
Okay, but whenever I get it, I'm like oddly disappointed.
Really? Because I am satisfied to the max.
When I had Panda Express, I felt like I was puking in my mouth.
I know,
Like, it
I was
grossed me
craving
out.
Panda Express really bad, and then I got it, and I was like,
Yeah, something was different.
Look
Like,
at Anna
I'm so
back there
numb
with the
to it.
booster seat.
Shut up.
Look at all these booster seats right there. Booster seats? Booster seats?
Oh, Shawty! Terrible!
I'm literally so scared. Wait, it's your turn.
Wait, hold on.
I can't.
Put your hand on my face. Wait, put your hand on your face. Doesn't it say that at one point though?
I thought it said put your hand on your face. Move like a snake.
And then I think it says, put your hand on your waist. Move like a snake, you know? What? Hello guys, I'm re-wearing the teddy bear sweater once again because I really want to get an Instagram picture in this outfit because I tried to do it the first time but it just didn't work out as I wanted it to be. So we're re-wearing the outfit that we wore a few days ago. So today we're gonna try to go to the Christmas tree farm. And then what else do we have to do? Oh, we need to get ingredients for cookies because we're gonna make sugar cookies today because my mom has been craving it recently and I just want to bake for fun, so that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully today's video is exciting because I feel like this whole week it was just really boring. It was mostly like running errands and nothing too exciting for you guys. Also this morning I finally uploaded my video. I was struggling because this morning I woke up to another copyright claim. I've been getting so many. It's kind of annoying because I was so happy and content with my video that I uploaded, but at least nobody saw it yet, so I deleted it really quick and re-uploaded it with different music and added a few clips that I forgot I put in the video, so it kind of worked out perfectly because last night I just found the clips that I was looking for that I thought I deleted off my camera. So long story short, I put it at the end of the video because I really wanted it to be in there. So yeah, anyways, that's what I did this morning. Nothing too exciting. I'm feeling pretty good. Like this whole week I told you I haven't been feeling 100%, but I feel pretty good because I've been taking medicine. And if you know me, I hate taking medicine, so I finally just took it so I can just get rid of this whatever this is. Yeah, a little update, and I'm like inhaling so much perfume. Whew.
Look at all the trees. Oh, you took a few pictures with them. I want to know their name. What's their names? It doesn't say.
They're freaking reindeer. Reindeers mean the reindeer.
But like they have names. There's Dad. He's freezing cold over there.
Your shoelaces is undone. And you got hay all over your booty.
We're at Trader Joe's right now. We're about to get some supplies for our cooking baking.
Oh, this twinkle wreath is $9.
Oh no, that's cute, but that's like really small. We gotta look at the phone because I wrote down all the supplies that we need. Okay, I only need a few things. Probably this then. Okay, we're getting this gingerbread kit. It's really ugly though, but I don't really want to go anywhere else, so I'm just gonna get this. And I don't know what else everybody else is making because we're gonna make this tomorrow. This one's kind of ugly.
You're getting it?
Yeah, why not? Okay, so we're back home. We got all of our goodies from the store. I'm gonna show you guys what we got really quick. We got the gingerbread house. A lot of people were getting it, which was very concerning. And then Mom got this thingy, a plant for decor.
It's a eucalyptus plant.
And then we got some eggs for the cookies. Next we got baking powder, organic powdered cane sugar, exciting stuff around here, and organic heavy whipping cream. I don't know what any of this is gonna do to the cookies, but hopefully it makes it taste good. I just played Sweet Life on Deck because what better to watch while you're baking is Sweet Life on Deck. Anyways, I'm gonna try, why is this so out of focus? Okay, I'm gonna try this hot chocolate. I'm gonna try this chocolate milk that I got from the Asian market a few days ago. No, that was yesterday. Yesterday, my Lulu used to get me this all the time when I was a kid. I honestly don't remember what it tastes like. Obviously, it tastes like chocolate milk. Hopefully, it tastes good because I honestly don't remember. And I didn't have a problem with dairy back in the day. So, this is gonna be interesting. Mom, didn't you say this was a beer company?
San Miguel Filipino beer.
Okay, the natural lighting's not that bad right now. So my mom said that San Miguel is a beer company, and this is the brand of I keep on saying hot chocolate, is the brand of the chocolate milk. I think
it's really good. It's thick. Pray for my stomach in a few seconds. Now we're gonna start baking. So I'm using this recipe I found on Pinterest. So if you guys want to copy this cookie, I'll put it in the description. It calls for 1 cup of butter softened. So I'm just gonna warm it up in the microwave for a few seconds. Also, I'm wearing my Christmas PJs and Christmas socks. If you're wondering, you probably weren't, but just wanted to let you know. So I just added the butter and I'm adding the sugar, and it's just 1 cup of sugar. Okay, next I have to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh crap, I think I put too much. I'm just gonna pretend that never happened. Okay, so the next ingredient we have to put in is 1 teaspoon of almond extract. They didn't have almond extract, so I'm just gonna skip that part.
Did you have vanilla?
Yeah, I just put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, next I have to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I really hope this tastes good. Next is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Oh my god, I definitely mixed this up! Beet extract and eggs.
Oh yeah.
In a separate bowl!
You could still fix that.
How? Do I just mix?
Get another bowl and take the butter and eggs out.
I knew something was wrong. It was too easy to be true. What the hell is that? I don't remember putting that in there.
What?
Is that the vanilla?
Yes.
Oh.
You're gonna need a bowl, girl, like to mix it.
So I just separated the eggs and butter and the vanilla. I'm gonna just keep on mixing this. Hope for the best.
Did you put everything you need in there already?
Yeah. I feel like I'm supposed to do 2 eggs. Okay, I think I did it. Like this. Man, you didn't see me.
Oh my god, I did that on the Beautiful Fight account. Did you just hear me?
Yeah.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stuff.
Okay, so mom's gonna add oil because she looked it up. They said add oil if it's clumpy like ours. So I'm gonna charge the camera real quick and come back. So it's a few hours later and we're finally looking at the dough. We put it in the fridge to make it a little softer, and she added oil to the dough. Ooh, mom, it's a little crumbly still. And by the way, I did re-wash the table so it's not dirty.
The fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas.
I'm terrible at baking, as you can tell. I'm gonna try to do 1. Let's do this gingerbread man.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
Okay, it's a few hours later and my parents...
No, wait.
you don't, it's just a vlog. You don't need to...
I know. I just like a really cute...
Ew. Okay, it's a few hours later and my parents finished some of the cookies and they made the frosting because I was too tired to make it. There it is. We forgot to buy toppings, cute ones, so we found a few laying around our house and we're gonna decorate. We don't have any like colored, what they called?
What they call?
What is it called?
I don't know what they call.
Colored icing? I don't know. Honestly, I don't even want to decorate it because...
Oh, just in time.
Chewbacca.
Chewbacca's here. Chewie, we need you to decorate cookies.
Okay.
That was mine.
Look, I remember why I don't like baking homemade stuff, because it takes 10 hours and I don't care for that. I'm an impatient person, so this really took a toll on my life.
You're so dramaful. We should have done green food coloring.
Coloring! That's what it's called. Are you gonna make this cute or something?
Yeah, girl. I make cute design cookies. I will cover the flaws of your cookies.
I'm so excited to eat these. I really just want the crackhead cookies from Safeway.
The crackhead cookies from Safeway.
But Mom wouldn't let me buy it.
You didn't let her buy crack?
On my next. Girl, bye!
What should I put in it? I wanted like cute little design. But
Right there. Your stuff
But
is
we're
there.
gonna make gingerbread houses tomorrow. By the way, the time we're filming this video, it's National Gingerbread House Day, which my dad told me. I don't know if it's true, but we're just gonna trust him on that.
Wow.
Wait, I'm gonna make it look like it's light bulbs. Be jealous.
Oh, Gymshark's off
Damn,
to the
I feel so violated that your freaking booty cheeks just wiped my freaking back.
It's December 12th.
Okay, so everybody, he lied to me.
Starlight, Starbright. How pretty.
That's Dragon Ball Z. No, that's not Dragon.
Huh?
What's the dinosaur movie show dad that Lay watches?
Dragon Tail.
Dragon
Yeah.
Tales.
Wow.
Star Bright, Star Right, or what is it?
Oh, it's something,
Play the trailer.
And he wished on a dragon scale, and that's what started Dragon Tales. Around the room the dragons flew, but Emmy and Max knew what to do. They climbed on the backs of the dragon friends.
Your star color shine.
No, dude. I think you're talking about something else. I don't even know what you're
I
talking
think I'm talking about Care Bears now.
Your breath.
I had fish.
Starbright ham.
I just ate fish. Hey.
Hey.
about. No.
Stop
It's something
it.
about a land far, far away.
Star Right, Star.
It's
No.
something Dragonstone.
It's a tale that they tell the kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like Dragonstone, something, something, take me to a land far, far away.
That helped, Marcus.
And bam, during Dragon Tales.
Yeah.
Why do you guys remember that?
Because you guys play it all the freaking time.
Look how cute mine is. It's like light bulbs. I'm gonna put a star on it.
That's ugly.
Hey!
Stop! Why are you eating it already? We're supposed to show what we have to decorate it.
I don't like it.
You don't like what? The cookie? You sure look like you're pigging out.
So what's this?
I don't know.
For everybody that's wondering, yes, I finished the whole Star Wars series, and you're welcome. And yes, I'm going to force my dad to take me to the movies.
And
when the new
for
one comes
those that
out.
don't really care.
Is it focusing on my face or not?
Oh, what? You almost stabbed me with that butter knife.
Okay, wait, this one's kind of cute.
Okay, I'm done.
Keep
Ta-da!
How much is it?
Here's the cookie I made. Oh, it kind of looks kind of weird. And then here's Mom's. There's a chocolate one. She made a peppermint one, but she ate it. And then here's her green one. And then here's my other one. Yeah, I want McDonald's. I'm sick and tired of Asian food. Anyways, here's this snowman. I don't know why his booty be popping like that, like Daniel Cohen or whatever. Like, why is it out there?
That's America's butt.
That is America's butt. I love Captain America.
The whole time y'all didn't tell me that my hair needed fixing.
I told you.
I'm all about making it easy.
Me
Making it look pretty on a plate. That's more of your mom.
What we've learned today is that I'm a terrible baker and that I should just stick to the frozen stuff so it's easy to make. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we're at McDonald's. We're going to McDonald's. Try.
Let's go sit on the floor.